How's it going this morning? So a new harness that I got from Buckingham and we're carrying at WesSpur Tree Equipment now is the Buckingham Ergo Pro. Getting used to the harness still. There's some tweaks I need to make, but I'm pretty pleased with it so far. What they did is they made a good work positioning harness that I think is going to work for hopefully industrial rope access. I'll find out next week when I go to school. But it's going to be a good one for tree work, particularly for those that are working out of an aerial lift and transferring to the tree, whether it's a bucket truck, spider lift, what have you. If you have to wear a class 3, fall protection harness, the Ergo Pro is going to fit your needs. You also have, sternal ventral attachment, dorsal attachment in the back. This is detachable if you just want to use it as a class 2 work positioning harness. Floating bridge, as well as a central attachment point there for a fixed tie-in if that's what you want to go with. You do have some adjustability in the rise. That's what I haven't quite tuned up all the way yet. I love the semi-rigid leg pads, so it's not the fully soft pads. They're similar to what comes on the regular Ergovation. Nice sized hip Ds that are raked forward. The arrangement of gear loops works for me. Overall, very pleased with this harness so far. Rigging plates, which I like. Easily replaceable bridge. Looks like they went with Sterling Tri-Tech, or maybe that's Tech 11. But that's the Ergo Pro from Buckingham, available at WesSpur Tree Equipment.